Hey guys, welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another unboxing for you, and it is Gil Galad. It is a more recent release, and I have number 50 of 737 pieces, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, as I am ecstatic about this piece. I've ordered it since the pre-order had come up, and I can't wait to get into this, so let's show you right out of the box here. If you hear anything in the background, that's my ice machine. Don't know why it's dropping more ice. Okay. And guy who plays this is Benjamin Walker. He shows up briefly at the beginning of the Fellowship of the Ring, playing Gil Galad. Sorry, this is a tall box, so bear with me here. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Get the sleeve off. That. Put that there, and bear with me guys, put this in the center so you can see all the artwork all the way around here. The box is just tremendous. It's just phenomenal. As you can see there, this is what it looks like on the box here. Just bloody awesome. This is so cool. You can see on the side there, the Elven Brooch. And you can see Benjamin Walker playing Gil Galad there. This is the back. And the side again. And the front. And if I remember correctly, let's see what side. Oh yeah, this is the side here. And as you can see, all the making of the statue, you know, that kind of stuff. And the write-up of Gil Galad, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, really, really cool. I love the art piece. Oh, right. I think it shows the other side of Gil Galad in this, which is really, really cool. I like that. Awesome. Let's get right into the core of this now. And like usual, use gravity as your friend. Steer everything nice, slow, and methodical, the best you can. And yes, this is a 1/6 scale. Careful when you take that off. Very, very cool. And, oh, this is the top. Which is good. I like how they display everything properly. Which I like very much. Ah, yes, there we go. Okay. So let's unravel everything here first. Okay. Oh, guys, this is beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, this is so cool. Punch this in the middle. Push that down. That's got to do something real quick. Sorry guys, I just had to do something really quick there. Okay. Now, very carefully, like I always say, just be careful how you take things out, because they make these somewhat fragile here. I'm just trying to figure out how to take this base out. So, breaking it. Oh, there we go. That was actually fairly easy. Just put that there. Okay. Put that down nicely. Okay, and then let's go with the, yeah, let's go with the body. Very carefully, this is, here we go. Nice. Very nice. And looks like, okay. Oh, I think I got it. I think. Might be up a little bit. Oh, okay. No, that's fine. Should be, yeah, that's steady. Okay, and then I think next is, what is this? This is another pole. Where does this go? Oh yeah, okay. This goes on, I think it goes on this side. I think. Let's see. One sec, I gotta see the picture. Ah, nope. This one goes on this side. Like that, keyed right in, perfect. And for the shield piece, which I think just be careful with that. I think it's magnetic. Okay, there we go. I think just looking to see. Yeah, I believe that's that. And then his other arm. Ooh. Okay, so just an overview. I absolutely love this piece. This is just freaking amazing, guys. Just the rock and all the shields and everything that had gotten broken or in the battles and everything. And the portrait of Benjamin Walker on this, playing Gil Galad, and the shield on this. And as you can see there, his cape and everything, just unbelievable, awesome. And just the armor. I love the armor. This is so cool. This is what I've been this is what I've been wanting in this. This is so freaking cool. And his spear / sword, whatever, that he's holding, and you can see his shield there. I'll show you some close-ups in a bit. Just wanted to do an overview. And I just absolutely love this statue. It is so freaking cool. Yeah, no, oh man. I am so happy that I bought this piece. But when you're putting in his arms, you got to be very careful. I don't know what's with his right arm, but it doesn't key in all the way in, I don't believe. It just goes so far, then I can't get it in all the way. If you want to comment down below, let me know what I'm doing wrong, or if I am doing something wrong, if it keys in all the way, because I can only go so far and then it stops, right? So comment down below in the comments and let me know what I'm doing wrong. But it can only go so far. So, and then his shield, everything. This is just fantastic. So now I'm going to show you some close-ups of Gil Galad. I love the statue, so let's show you some close-ups. Here we go. Let's show you some close-ups. But you can see his portrait. That is so cool and awesome. And you can see his armor there and his chainmail. This is unbelievable awesome. So cool. And you can see in his battles all the weatherness on his costume and everything, and the weathering on his shield. This shield is bloody awesome, guys. Like, so cool. A lot of people say that it's underscaled to the statue, but regardless, in my opinion, I love it. It's just awesome. And you can, oh, not on this side, but I'll show you on the other side. And you can see in behind here, his cloak, all the gold underneath and then the blue on top, the texture on it, just fantastic. This is so cool. And look at the hair in behind and his headpiece that he's wearing and the flowiness of his hair. And that is so cool. And then you can see, oh, let's just move this. And the blood that's been on his sword / spear. This is unbelievable cool. And all the designs that they put on it. So intricate. And then look at this, guys. Look at the base on this. That is so cool. All the rock and everything. And then all the stuff in the battle. Oh, that's an orc. That's the dead and lying in the ground there. And then another sword. And then a shield there. You can see there. But I wanted to show you this, so you can see in there. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. You can see in the peg there, it doesn't peg in all the way. Let me know, and please tell me in the comments what I'm doing wrong. But that's as far as I can get without doing, I don't want to damage it, so. And then look again, the spear / sword here. That is so cool. And then you think that's Elvish, yep, the Elvish writing that's on his blade. That is cool. Such great detail on this. And then there's this base again. And the front of his costume. Unbelievable. And then here's his portrait again. That is so cool and lifelike. I think Weta, you guys did a fantastic job on Gil Galad. Thank you so much. This is so freaking cool. I am glad that I got this piece in my collection. Wow. And then you can see on the back side of the shield there where he's holding it. So cool. All his chainmail. More of his costume there. Chainmail on this side, and then the glossiness from the underside of this cloak. I love that. That is so cool. And the blood on his costume from the battle and stuff. This is just a fantastic piece. I love this. Go on the side, his elven ears. I love the headdress, piece that he's wearing. There's his hair waving and the flowiness of his hair. And here's the other side of the blade there. So cool. Yeah. Thank you, Weta. Just awesome. Really, really awesome piece. Thank you. And just for the time being, I am putting Gil Galad here because I want to get the Coronation Arwen and King Elisar and put them underneath Anduril here. But just for the time being, I'm putting Gil Galad with King Elendil because they were both in battle at the Battle of Mount Doom there. So yeah, pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now it is time for you to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep collecting Lord of the Rings.